Minsan, makikita mo ang tunay na pag-ibig sa mga pusa, hindi sa tao. At minsan, dito mo rin ma-realize ang halaga at misyon mo sa buhay. Sa video na to, kilalanin natin si Linnea Latancio at ang kanyang mga alagang 700 cats sa The Cat House on the Kings. This is The Cat House on the Kings. Ito ang pinakamalaking no-kill, no-cage, lifetime cat sanctuary and adoption center in California. Ito ay tinayo noong 1992 ni Linnea Latancio. Ang The Cat House on the Kings is a non-profit corporation. They receive no government or public funding and relies entirely on donations from the public to carry out its mission. Aside from being a cat sanctuary and adoption center, nagpo-provide din sila ng education and assistance to people and nakikipag-partner sila with vet clinics to provide low-cost kapon. Sa kasalukuyan, nasa pangangalaga nila ang 700 cats and kittens. Since its founding, nakapag-save na sila ng over 30,000 cats and 7,100 dogs and nakapagpa-spay and neuter ng animals counting to 56,000. Paano ba nagsimula ang The Cat House on the Kings? After a difficult divorce in 1981, nag-decide si Linnea na tumira sa isang peaceful na lugar na malapit sa river. So in 1983, tumira siya sa 6-acre na lupa that is almost equivalent to 2.4 hectares na lupa. Nagmuni-muni si Linnea. Tinanong niya ang kanyang sarili, bakit siya tumira sa malaking lupa? Single naman siya at walang anak. 9 years later, namatayan siya ng 2 Manx na pusa who died because of old age. Nag-decide siya na bumisita sa isang local na animal shelter para maghanap ng Manx kittens. Pero lumabas siya sa shelter na may dalang 15 abandoned kittens pero hindi Manx. Within the same year, nakapag-rescue, inahanapan niya ng forever homes ang 96 homeless cats. By that time, she realized ang kanyang calling sa buhay. In 1993, binenta niya ang kanyang kotse at kanyang 2-carat diamond wedding ring na hindi na daw niya kailangan sa buhay na tinatahak niya. By 2004, isang galanting donor ang nagbigay ng malaking donation that allowed her to purchase ang katabing 6 acres na lupa at mag-install ng fence sa entire perimeter. And the rest is history. Ngayon, the Cat House on the Kings has Linnea and 50 staff members to help her run the facility. The cats are being fed twice each day of mixture ng dry and wet cat food at dinidistribute ito to the entire 700 cats and kittens. It takes 6 people 2 hours to prepare the food and deliver it throughout the 12 acres land. May iba't ibang sections sa facility. Merong kitten quarters at meron silang section for senior cats. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. I would appreciate your likes, shares, and comments. And if you like my content, I hope you can subscribe. Thank you for watching.